What's up guys, we're back with another video, and today we are going to be rebuilding the Chicago Bears in Retro Bowl until we win the Super Bowl. So, well, I guess just one rule. We have to play on Extreme. We're gonna put on Extreme, and it's gonna be really hard in the first couple of weeks. Quarters are gonna be played, and we're just gonna post a video to one video every day, maybe two of a game, and we're gonna see how long it takes us to win the Super Bowl. And look at the good old roster. That's not bad. But this draft, you can definitely get some better players. We're gonna probably need one more guy on defense because Extreme is really tough, so we're gonna have to resort to my running back and my wide receiver for the passes. But we have a couple guys on defense who most likely gonna lose this first game because Extreme is really hard when we're playing against a 5-star offense and 5-star defense, Philadelphia Eagles, so we're probably gonna lose, but I'm just gonna see if I can put up a fight. And yeah, well, already a horrible start. Wasn't even a bad throw, but that's a good catch though. I might just have to target that one guy. I'm gonna have trouble finding a receiver. I'm just gonna have to go for these. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go for this. There's no way I can. Oh, a gain of 21, almost there, but not quite. We actually limited them, so I didn't score a touchdown, which is nice. I would like to score again before halftime. Good catch right there. First quarter's over. It's literally, oh no, it's right there. Oh, my quarterback is actually really fast. I'm gonna slide down right there. So if I'm ever in need to, I can scramble. That is not quite a first down. We're gonna go for this on fourth down. Just gonna dive in there for a first down. There we go. Good idea, but he's just not fast enough. I can keep on scrambling here. I can just get gains of at least 5 probably every time. Pass to the running back. I'm taking a risk. I'm just gonna try to kick the field goal, but I realize how bad my kick is. Even though it's gonna be good, and we're gonna score. So down 14, we're gonna need to score. Gain of 9 right there. Alright, halftime is about let's just stop go for. There's not really anything I can do. I'm just gonna. I can't really go anywhere. So, down 14 at the half. That kind of sucks because we started with the ball and we had a really good opportunity. But I'm just gonna need to slowly improve my defense over the next few weeks. Dude, nobody's open, I swear. 3rd and 17. This is horrible. He has to catch it. Alright, I'm gonna have to go for this, so I'm just gonna throw it and hope for the best. Oh my god, I caught it! Please say that's good. No way, that's actually the play of the game right there. That's gotta be the play of the game. I mean, my wide receiver right now is painfully slow. But hopefully as we play some easier teams, this will be more possible to get stuff going. Alright, we need to convert here once again. I don't like these passes. Oh my god, and I actually got in. We're down 21, so it doesn't really mean anything, but risky pass, I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna catch it. Wow. 2 minutes left, down 21. I really wish it would give me the option. I need to take a timeout there because the clock's gonna keep winding down. Look for a pass. Oh, what a catch. What a catch. Still down 21. I need to score soon. Gonna scramble. Oh, wide open. Just gonna slide in. 7 yards. They gotta go quick though. Oh, no, not fast enough. Turn back. There we go. It's a touchdown. Alright, let's see. We're down by. Right now we're down by 15. We hopefully only down by 14, and that's good. Alright, we need to recover. Shit, they recovered. Dang it. So they're gonna score. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're still down by 17, but we need to score like quickly. I have to take that timeout. We need routes where you can actually score like on one play. It's a good pass. Well, we're down by 17, but I think there's been some good takeaways from this game. Like especially against a five-star team against a team that's just starting out like me. I think we definitely had some good stuff happen. We didn't lose by as much as I thought. We're gonna go for a deep ball. End of the game. Gonna complete good catch. You know, good passes. Definitely a lot of positives from this game, but we're gonna go ahead and lose that game. Yeah, there's not much that can be done right there. I really need to work on getting this team better, everything in general, and I don't know, my quarterback is fine. My wide receiver, he's supposed to be fast, but we're gonna go ahead and preview our next game. It's against the Cardinals, who are also a 5-star team, so we're gonna be looking for an upset in the next video, but yeah, if you guys enjoy, expect more reputable videos coming out hopefully soon, hopefully, and see you guys later.